This is Port of Tallinn's Old City Harbour, the fourth busiest passenger port in North Europe and the biggest gateway to Estonia. Every year, over 10.5 million passengers travel through this port, using more than 1.8 million vehicles. Increasing numbers created a logistics challenge that needed an efficient and secure solution that would fit the ecosystem of one of the most digitized countries in the world. In 2015, Hansab and Port of Tallinn started building the Smart Port. What is Smart Port? Smart Port is an intelligent system for passenger ports which automates the vehicle traffic and shortens the time passenger cars and trucks spend on harbor premises. It enables automatic detection, guidance, check-in, and loading procedures of vehicles. Smart Port is a globally unique concept at such scale of automation.
The Smart Port is a unique solution that has been created to automate the vehicle traffic on the port premises. It took a lot of time and effort to analyze the situation in the port to make sure that we do it in the most efficient way. The Smart Port system combines different technologies, starting from number plate recognition, which is an essential part, barrier gate and automation system, different sensors, display system that shows guidance information to the passengers and drivers. The Smart Port system is not only meant for the passenger ports, it is suitable also for cargo ports, for railway stations, large logistic hubs, and border stations. The Smart Port system has a clear environmental impact due to the vehicles spending less time on the port premises with their engines turned on. Therefore, it also helps to reduce the emissions. The technology is easily scalable from small to large and sophisticated systems.
Smart Port system is based on vehicle license plate recognition and consists of three elements: pre-gate, check-in, and the gathering area. Pre-gate is the first area that every vehicle arriving at the port has to enter. Here we detect number plates, both front and rear, weigh and measure the vehicle's height, width, length, and also take snapshots from different angles. The height and weight information is important for security and the loading process, and enables placing vehicles on the ferries correctly. This information is then sent to the Smart Port management server, where a decision gets made based on the data. If the vehicle has a booking, and if all the information is correct, it is directed to an automated check-in lane. If the information does not match, or the vehicle does not have an active booking, it is directed to the manual lane where the driver can purchase a ticket or pay additional charges. Meanwhile, the drivers are guided using a smart LED display system. Check-in area is the place where vehicles and passengers confirm their trip with the ferry. Each check-in lane is embedded with a set of hardware: a number plate recognition camera, an automated barrier gate, an LED display for guidance, and QR code readers for the moment when a number plate does not get recognized automatically. When the check-in procedures are finished, a message with a corresponding lane number will appear on the display, and the barrier gate gets opened for the vehicle to enter the gateway. The gateway optimizes traffic between the check-in area and the correct gathering lanes. The smart system prevents path crossings of different cars. For the highest efficiency, the vehicles are already guided to an optimal check-in lane from the pre-gate, so that the drivers can drive as straight as possible to maximize throughput. In case multiple cars get guided to the same lane, they enter a queue and are let through one by one to prevent hazardous situations. After check-in, vehicles are directed to the final gathering lanes based on vehicle class. Here, they wait for boarding or loading. The gathering area comes with an automatic gate system and an LED display at the end of each lane, which shows the corresponding ferry and departure information to the passengers. The loading process is conveniently operated using a portable device that is also used to operate the traffic light system. In addition to travelers, Smart Port also controls and manages the official permit system and access to the port premises.
The driving need to build the smart port system was to improve our passengers' experience and reduce the environmental impact. The biggest improvement so far are the working load of the check-in points can be equally divided because of the system. The area after the check-in can be used more flexibly. The system has been built up in a way that the check-in points can be used by different ferry operators. The feasibility study predicted that 320,000 hours per year will be saved based on passengers with cars spending 10 minutes less time in harbour area.
The smart port solution enables the port to optimize operating costs and to become more effective throughout. It simplifies the experience for the passengers by eliminating queues, reducing congestion, and by enhancing the entire loading process. We have partnered up with leading industry partners to make SmartPort come to life. SmartPort is an industry-changing solution which will change the way of traveling for passenger ports.